I firstly like to wish everyone good health in these hard times. Okay,
Right.
so
Right.
I'll be speaking in English because I think that will be the best way of communication right now. So we started our company back in 2013, uh, and we started our production in 2015.
Okay.
So for us, it's a part of a family business for us, and we are in business for the past 40 years now, into different industries such as textiles, steel, transformers, and the latest one was solar for us. Uh, so currently we have a capacity of 200 megawatt, and
Okay.
it's a fully automatic production line. We are based out of Surat.
Okay. It's great.
So at Navitas, we currently have three type of business. One is the manufacturing of solar panel. Then we are also doing EPC, and we also do some Resco projects for our own.
Okay.
And this is the core team which we have.
Right.
Ankit. So we are four directors right now at Navitas, and all of us are highly educated.
Right.
So I just wanted to show you this recent research publication by JMK.
Okay.
Uh, so this is the data from 2000, for 2019, from Jan to December. And out of the Indian manufacturers, we were the fifth largest in terms of supply. So देखा जाए तो इंडिया में मैन्युफैक्चरिंग में सप्लाई में फिफ्थ हम लोग थे, टॉप 5 में आने लग गए Navitas. So that's a
Right.
very good achievement for us, considering it's only a 5-year-old company now.
Right.
The same goes for the rooftop installation. So Navitas was amongst the top 20 for the installation part. This is for Jan 2019 to December 2019 by JMK Research.
Okay.
So these are the current panels which are available. They are all with BIS, all with 1500 volts. So we have a 72 cell standard poly and mono.
Mm-hmm.
We have a 60 cell, and then we also have a small dedicated line for making smaller panels. We are
Mm-hmm.
also one of the very few players in India who are regularly making BIPV modules. That's
Mm-hmm.
built-in integrated photovoltaic.
Mm-hmm.
And this is the presence. So we are present across India right now.
Mm-hmm.
We are also present in US now. We have an office in US itself, in Bahrain now, in Tanzania. So we are trying to reach out to the world market now.
Mm-hmm.
So coming to the new technology.
Right.
So my like मेरे कंपनी के बारे में इतना ही बोलूंगा. तो अब जो बात करेंगे अब वो आगे क्या होगा in the industry in general, for the solar industry, at
Right.
from the perspective of a module manufacturer.
Right. 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 So, can you
So
tell us a little about the effect of COVID-19 on your manufacturing?
so I have covered that after these two
All right.
slides.
All right.
Okay.
All right.
So for this year, and I think most of the next year also, what we will be seeing is every big manufacturer
Mm.
will be coming with half cut 144 cell,
Okay.
and it will be a perk cell. It will be a perk cell, be it monofacial or bifacial.
Okay. You're
So
looking to have 415 watts or more
so,
than
so,
that.
so the power output will be between the range of 375 to let's say 420, 415 watt. for the
Okay.
next 1.5 years. That will be the major market share. So
Okay.
if you see, companies are coming with higher wattage panels also, but that will not be a mass product.
Okay.
So this will be
Okay.
the mass product, especially for markets such as India. Maybe
Alright.
products with much higher wattage will be there, but that will be mainly for markets such as Japan or Europe. But
Okay.
in India, this will be the most dominant module type. So if you see,
Alright.
I think we need to educate the viewers about what the benefits of a half cut cell are. So I'll just mention एक panel में what we are doing is we are dividing the panel into two parts and we are making it like they operate as two panels now. So ऊपर का हिस्सा एक पैनल हो गया, नीचे का हिस्सा एक पैनल हो गया. तो उससे कई बार फायदा क्या होता है कि जब शेड होता है, अगर समझो नीचे वाले पोर्शन में शेडिंग है, तो ऊपर
Right.
वाला पोर्शन विल फंक्शन एज अ नॉर्मल फुल सेल पैनल. ऑल्सो हॉटस्पॉट रिस्क आपका कम हो जा रहा है, आपका लो लाइट परफॉर्मेंस इज मच बेटर फॉर दीज पैनल्स.
Okay.
And you as a manufacturer you gain a plus 5 watt advantage while you are making such kind of panels.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
So for the next 1.5 years, this will be the standard what we feel the market will be operating on. And the modules are getting slightly bigger. So see, for the past 5 years, the most dominant size was 156 mm cell size.
Alright.
ये साल से 158.75, 161 and 166. These three size will be the more common ones. And for the Indian market, I still feel 158.75 will be the most dominant one. Reason being, India में manufacturing upgradation is not as fast as what we expect from China. Most of the manufacturing people can, I think, upgrade only up to 158.75. So for that, the power you can expect close to 400 to 410.
Okay. Okay. So, yeah.
Sorry.
Yeah.
हाँ बोलिए.
Yeah. I think we can move to the next slide. I was just going to.
Okay. Now I think this will be towards the end of next year or maybe in the coming years after, like maybe 2022. So a lot of our viewers must have seen the presentation by Trina, who are launching their Vertex series. So basically वो लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, वो लोग cell size they're increasing from 156 to directly to 210 mm.
Okay.
So it's a much bigger cell, and the total is 50 cells. It's a 50 cell panel. Instead of the 72 cell, it's a 50 cell panel, but it's 1/3 cut.
Okay. So
instead of the half cut which I showed you in the last slide, this is a 1/3 cut cell. So if you see, each string will have 15 cells instead of 12, which gives it a higher voltage of the panel. So these panels operate at much higher voltage than what are standard panels. So अभी जो अपन 72 cell की बात कर रहे हैं या 154 cell की बात कर रहे हैं, they are at a voltage of around 36-37 volts.
Okay.
We at a voltage of around 50 volts.
Okay.
And जो ये technology रहेगा, अभी currently they are at 5 bus bar. If you have seen the panels, they are all, most of the Indian players are using 5 bus bar now.
Okay.
Now this will not, because these are such big panels, big cells, and because the power output is so high, they will not work at 5 bus bar anymore. So there's a new technology which has come in the market called MBB, multi bus bar.
Mm-hmm.
Instead of flat ribbon which are used as the bus bars, we will be using round wires from 9 to 16 now. So, but the most
Okay.
prominent is 9 and 12. So instead
Okay.
of 5, there will be 9 or 12 wires. Then these are round wires.
Okay.
So
Okay.
basically, इसमें आपका जो ribbon area है, that is also reduced. So cell का जो
Right.
exposure area है, that is increasing by that.
Right.
Also because the cell is
Okay.
1/3 cut.
Okay.
So hotspot resistance improves.
Okay. When can we expect this kind of panel from Navitas?
So I think by beginning of 2022 or by end of 2021. But again, this
Okay.
will depend on how soon the cell manufacturers can convert their production line to this size.
Okay. Okay.
So basically, for this size, most of the cell manufacturers need to change their equipment.
Okay.
They cannot be
Okay.
making it from with their current equipment right now. So
Okay.
that's again a very big process, and that's a big investment for everyone.
Right.
But yes, this is what China currently is trying to push in the market.
Mm-hmm.
This is called the M12 size for the cell, and within the next 2 to 3 years, this will be the most common one. So I'll just speak about the what is happening in the power sector during these COVID-19 times. So सबको पता है, सब घर बैठे हैं, फैक्ट्रियां चल नहीं रही है. So the power demand has fallen by 30%. Yeah,
Okay.
yes.
But what is the effect in terms of um, the production?
So if you see for like for the solar industry, for as module manufacturers, everyone is closed right now.
Okay.
But,
No,
but
but
for
post
the future,
post the lockdown opens.
for the post-COVID, so for everyone it will be a very slow start because
Mm-hmm.
the labors won't be there, uh, the team, the entire chain won't be there functioning so well.
Okay.
And you have to maintain social distancing, you have to follow a lot of government regulations.
Mm-hmm.
So we cannot ramp up directly to 100% post the vacation period.
How much delay are you proposing in your existing orders post this lockdown opens?
So we are planning to start as soon as the lockdown, like we get the permission to operate. But currently, we are only planning to run one shift instead of the regular 3 shift which we are maintaining. So yeah, the production will be 1/3 of what we used to do.
All right. All right. Okay. Moving on to the next slide. Yeah. Okay.
So a lot of EPC players, they will be facing a huge issue right now. Reason being that there will be delay in government dues, subsidies टाइम पे नहीं आ रही है, लेबर नहीं होगी साइट पे, प्लस सब लोग का कॉस्ट बढ़ गया है, इवन मॉड्यूल मैन्युफैक्चरर का कॉस्ट बढ़ गया है, रीजन बीइंग डॉलर प्राइसेस.
Do you think there'll be an increase in your panel prices also post in a month
Yes,
or two?
I think there will be slight adjustment in the panel prices due to the dollar fluctuation. Right after let's say right after the vacation is over. So
Vacation.
so yes, एक महीने
Okay.
like I think एक महीने तक तो थोड़ा सा प्राइस इंक्रीज होगा, फिर I think should come down back.
The market will normalize in a month's
Yes,
time.
yes.
Okay.
Because dollar when we went into the lockdown, it was around 72. Currently, it's around 76, 77.
Mhm.
So that's a straight 8% jump.